welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by WowAfrican, and as usual we start off by unboxing. That's the wig in the dust bag, but I want to show you guys some of the goodies they sent. When you open the box, you see the thank you notes, then a HD wig cap, this mini comb, multi-purpose brush and comb, 2 clips, and the wig that was properly packaged and secured in the dust bag. So let me tell you about the spec of the wig. The wig is 22 inches. It is ombre in color. It is 9x6 HD lace closure wig. Yes, the wig came pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. Everything was done already, and the density is 250% in density. This wig is so pretty. This is the first time I'm going to be styling this wig on my channel, like a wig like this on my channel. It's really nice. That's the HD lace. It's almost like a full frontal, but it's not. The lace matches my skin color properly. Yes, we're taking off the Velcro comb, which I don't like. I believe you guys know that already, but the install is going to be very quick, very easy breezy, because the wig is a wear and go wig. That's the drawstring that helps to secure the wig properly because it's a glueless wig. Yes, I like the fact that they made provision for the ear. The cap is an S cap because they made provision for your ear, so your ear doesn't hurt you when you put on your wig, and that's very thoughtful of the brand. Right now I'm just trying on the wig to see what it looks like before I do anything to the wig. And as you can see, the lace needs to be darkened a bit, which is not new. I need to darken it so it matches my skin color properly, but I really love this wig. I'm using my contour stick and my brush to darken the lace. You guys have seen me do this countless times. It's not new, like I said. Yeah, and I'll try it on after I have darkened the lace, and you'd see the difference, because right now it matches my skin color very well. Yes, can you see? Yes. So guys, please watch the video till the end to see how I installed the wig. I really didn't install it. I didn't use any glue or a spray. I just wore the wig and used my hot comb, used the wax stick, as you can see, and it came out very beautiful. is the finished look. How do we like it? Are we liking the wig? Because I do like it. I really like it. This is the first time I'm getting a wig like this, so it's good to try out something different plus new. I like the color, I like the length, I like the curls as well, and the volume of the hair. It's full. It's full, it's beautiful, it suits my skin perfectly. So let's rate this wig. Comment below what you would rate this hair and if it's something you would like to get. Okay, but for all the information you need, kindly check my description box below. Click on the box and you'll get all the details. WowAfrican did a theme with this wig. Wow, to leave you wowed. Okay, look at the volume. Look at this. This is for my girlies that like full hair, coily wig. This is definitely for you. So click the link below for all the details, and this hair is super affordable. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.
They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn.